Yesterday I shared the dirty laundry that is just sitting out here at our Airbnb. It is Tuesday now, 11:40 something, and it is still sitting here. Good thing we did not have the storm last night that I thought we was going to have. Otherwise, I was expecting to see dirty laundry all over the yard and driveway. This is a really nice Airbnb. It's an older home that was built in 1900s. The architecture inside is really interesting. But I'm just glad that I got up this morning and I didn't see dirty laundry all over the yard and driveway.